Shirakawa, Japan's snowy fairy tale village. Shirakawa is one of Japan's most enchanting hidden gems, a mountain village that looks like it was lifted straight out of a storybook. Nestled deep in the Gifu region, it's known for its gassho-zukuri houses, steep, thatched roof homes designed to survive the heavy winter snow. These traditional wooden houses, some centuries old, stand quietly against the backdrop of forests and mountains. Creating a scene that feels timeless. In winter, the village becomes a glowing wonderland as snow covers the rooftops and soft light fills the narrow lanes. In warmer seasons, Shirakawa turns into a peaceful green valley with clear rivers, rice fields, and gentle mountain breezes. Every corner carries a sense of calm, heritage, and natural beauty. It's a place where tradition is preserved, nature is respected, and every moment feels serene. A true escape into Japan's old world charm. Gujo Hachiman. The water city of Japan, Gujo Hachiman, is one of Japan's most peaceful and beautifully preserved towns, known for its crystal clear waterways that flow right through the streets. Wooden houses, stone bridges, and traditional shops line the canals, giving the whole town a calm, nostalgic atmosphere. You can hear the sound of running water everywhere, from small streams winding between homes to larger canals reflecting the old town's charm. The town is also famous for its traditional summer dance festival, Gujo Odori, where locals and visitors dance through the night in celebration of centuries-old culture. Around the town, mountains rise in every direction, adding a fresh, natural backdrop to its historic streets. Clean, quiet, and deeply traditional, Gujo Hachiman feels like stepping into a slower, more thoughtful side of Japan. A perfect blend of heritage, nature, and timeless beauty. Kanazawa, Japan's timeless cultural capital. Kanazawa is a city where Japan's traditional elegance shines in every corner. Famous for its preserved samurai districts, wooden tea houses, and beautifully crafted gardens, the city feels like a living museum of heritage and art. Walking through Higashichaya district, you'll find lantern-lit streets, old tea houses, and craftsmen keeping centuries-old techniques alive. At the heart of the city lies Kenrokuen, one of Japan's most celebrated gardens, a masterpiece of ponds, stone bridges, gentle hills, and seasonal beauty. Nearby, the Kanazawa Castle grounds stretch across wide lawns and historic walls, adding even more depth to the city's story. Kanazawa is also a center of traditional gold leaf craftsmanship, historic markets, and modern museums, creating a perfect balance of culture, nature, and contemporary creativity. Quiet, refined, and endlessly atmospheric, it's a city that lets you experience the true soul of classic Japan. Matsumoto, The castle city of the Japanese Alps Matsumoto is a charming mountain city known for one of Japan's most iconic landmarks, Matsumoto Castle. Its striking black and white walls, wooden interiors, and elegant design make it one of the best preserved samurai castles in the entire country. Surrounded by a peaceful moat and views of the Japanese Alps, the castle looks stunning in every season. From cherry blossoms in spring to snowy peaks in winter, beyond the castle, Matsumoto offers quiet traditional streets, local craft shops, and warm onsen towns just a short ride away. The city blends history, culture, and natural beauty effortlessly, making it a perfect gateway to explore both Japan's heritage and the scenic mountains around it. Namba Yasaka Shrine. Osaka's most striking hidden gem, Namba Yasaka Shrine, is one of Osaka's most unique and unforgettable spiritual sites, famous for its massive lion-shaped stage that towers above visitors. The giant lion head, with its wide-open mouth and fierce expression, is believed to swallow bad luck and negative energy, bringing strength and good fortune to those who visit. Surrounded by peaceful shrine buildings and tucked quietly within the busy Namba district, the contrast feels magical. A calm, spiritual corner inside a lively city. The shrine's bold design, symbolic power, and surprising atmosphere make it one of the most distinctive spots to experience in Osaka.